I actually like it. I didn't like the color at first. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Me say it look like the Amora is a hardware baby. Me don't know why I say hardware baby.
But him hardly check for you. You know see say him not deserve you. Baby, try my love. Girl, won't you try my love? Try my love.
This is gonna be at the front of my vlog because I want to thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and everybody. Thank you guys so much. Everybody who is watching my videos, everybody who is liking, thank you guys so much. Thank you for the likes and thank you for watching it. Even if it's boring, thank you guys so much. A person said to me that they are gonna run my channel because they wanna make sure that they might push for them, y'all. I'ma appreciate you. Thank you so much. Remember guys, if you're not watching the videos, you can, if you have a second device, you can put it on my channel, you can run it and let it stay right there, okay? Ow. Anyways, I love y'all. Enjoy the vlog. Guys, a quick and fast update. So I got my nails refilled and polished by this girl in Mandeville. She charged me $3,000 because it's refill and polish, you know. And I got my toes polished for the same $3,000 and my nails, and I love them. So the same color that's on my nails is on my toes. This girl is very reasonable and I appreciate her. If y'all know where Samoy is, the girl that does the braces, she was the one that washed my hair. She's the one that always washes my hair. She washed my hair and she cleaned it at the same time, and that was $2,000. So I told you guys that I'm gonna, like, when I come out event time, I'm gonna try to break down my day with them. I didn't get a lot of videos or whatever, but I think bad bitch. Your phone wasn't charging. My phone was charging. So you're not gonna have no charge on it. Anyways, guys, Amora is still sleeping. So I wanted to go take a shower and I want to do my hair. This is the reason why I got it Cane Road. Here what the funny part now. Top girl can't find no, we call it something we used to put over the ear again. That's something there. The glue? Not the glue. I have a beating to give Ariana and Aisha. I really and truly do. Them two little girls do them own thing. Carry this in the kitchen before it drop and broke. So yeah, can't find a stocking cap to melt it on my head. So I don't know if I'm going to do about that. But right now, that's basically it. So guys, if somebody tell me some of vlog them boring, I know my vlogs are boring. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't doing that much. But yeah, so guys, yeah. So the baby I go get up. I'm not gonna have much time. Right now, me have to just jump in at the shower. And I'll just jump in at the shower. And then I come lie down beside her and sleep her. And then I can probably get up back and try to get the ear done because mom's not going to sleep. So I'm too scungy. But I didn't have it. I like them. Actually, I actually like it. I didn't like the color at first because it was too bright. It's not me. I don't do orange. I've never done orange before. But I think it's kind of cute. And probably because it's polished. I hate polish. But I know she a feel for me. She's up, guys. See her there. She's up. She woke. She woke. She's up. So I'm gonna clean up I'm gonna bathe her, clean her up, and get her ready for bed. Sleep her, and then I'll probably come back when I'm doing my hair. I don't know. But douches, guys. Love y'all. Oh.
She wouldn't be ashamed. She would be conservative, okay? You know, I used to be shot at the living. It's just about this little thing because me so scared. I'm afraid of things we don't know. Especially when it's long.
Morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Me say it look like the Amora is a hardware baby. Me don't know why I say hardware baby, but you don't know if I'm pregnant with Amora. You frightened me, look at me, I wonder. Me don't know. I want them here. I cabinet. They can put them in like in a kitchen.
Yeah, kitchen.
Oh.
Baby nice, a girl.
Hi,
Mama. Hi, Mommy.
She just wake up. Thing there. Plyboard. I was part of it when we go down there, so not sure.
Yeah, the like a shirt.
Hello. 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 Alright, guys, so I went to the dentist to do a consult because there are some things that I need to do. Unfortunately, I won't be able to get it done right now because it's expensive, man. Too much money. But I have it. So now I'm gonna come to the machine because I have to draw the people their money. If we go deal with that thing. Guys, I say, I'm not telling you how yesterday. I love that baby I see. Baby I come like my backbone, my literal backbone. I love her. I love her bad. So no know, so I'm not gonna get no new money. That I want to see, guys, my face is a mess. I haven't started using back my cream yet, you know. I don't know when I use my cream when my face nice. And them something I talk about. People are coming machine all the while and I get paid all damn money. And new money I wanna. When you have $1, you have to spend it. Turn it around and spend it. Millions they in the billet. Right now, I did have $1 million way. Everything I go in my house. Period. I'm more asleep. Period. I'm more period. Let me just take this. Period, my daughter. Period. So yeah, guys. I go up on the road now because I have a few things to do. But yeah. So I go up on the road now because we have a few things to do. We went just now and we went to the hardware. I wanted to vlog, but Ariel. Ariel, I just put out the disgusting.
So I can listen.
As well.
deserve you. Baby, try